to my channel. I just want to quickly show you the products I use. This costs less or just £1. I bought this shampoo from £1 shop and I bought this for 99 pence, and it's rich in vitamin, and this is beautiful shampoo. Like, then the same product Lacura, I got the conditioner, you know, to use on my hair after I wash. And please, this is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to show that I can achieve this style with £1 product. And so I went ahead and bought this coil hold and moisture activator cream. It's also £1. I bought this at Bargain. If you live in the UK, you should know where to get that. This is Maximum Control Spiking Gel by Alberto Balsamo, and it also was just £1. So altogether you need these 4 products to achieve this wash and go. I didn't want to go ahead and do the normal stuff with the Eco Styler. So, and again, you use some combs, some white tooth combs like those. So let's get started. So I'm going to start washing my hair. I just took off some cornrow that I've been wearing under the wig, so now I just need to wash it. I use this shampoo repeatedly, like after applying on my hair, wash it off like 3 times, you know, and I make sure that I massage my hair thoroughly with my fingers like that. You're going to do that, and don't manipulate your hair so much, just do this quickly. So I did 3 wash with the shampoo before I went ahead with the conditioner. I went ahead and sectioned the hair in 2, and I work with 1 section at a time and make sure that I rub the conditioner in thoroughly, and I use the comb to detangle it. So I'm gonna repeat the same thing on the other part of the head. And yeah, my baby woke up. Work. So now I washed off the conditioner, and this is time for me to use the products, you know, to apply some gel on my hair to see the results. I'm going to section my hair again in 2 so that I can work with 1 section at a time. So now I'm going to start from 1 section from the back like so, and I'm going to first of all massage in the Freeze No More coil formula that I bought, because that will remove all the frizziness from my hair, you know, and try to give it curls before I can add some gel to it. So this is what I'll be doing now. Hope you watch it, and I hope you like this video. If there's anything, I'll come back to talk to you later. So now is the time for gel application. I haven't used this gel before. I'm just trying it out. So yeah, I'm going to start from the back, and I'm going to use my fingers to pull it and rub it in my hair. And like you can see, my hair is responding seriously. Like the curls are just coming out rapidly. Like I'm feeling like my hair is no longer a 4C, like my hair is 4B. Oh my god, did you see the curls popping? Like I'm shook right now. Like, are you kidding me? I thought it was only HAIRSTYLING that can give you this kind of popping curls. Do you see that? This is amazing. This is amazing. Like, oh my goodness. So yeah, I'm going to rub in this gel the whole of my head, and you see the final result. If you are watching me for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And do not only subscribe to my channel, make sure you press the bell sign that is beside the subscribe button. Most times when you don't press that bell to get notified, you won't get to see my video anytime I upload. But when you click that button, you will be sure to receive notification for any new video. So please do that for me. And yeah, thanks so much guys. This is really affordable. The purpose of this video is just to, you know, test out some products that we don't normally look at in the shop when we go, and these are very affordable products, very cheap. To think that a £1 gel can actually do this to my natural 4C hair is amazing. And yeah, if there's any video request you want me to film, don't forget to write it down in the comment section. And thank you very much. Bye.
Let's see yourself. Talk a lot. It's your boy easy. Yeah, boom, baby, yo.
Damn, fresh on the bed.
Kilo de go. Ah, kini coco. popo mi. Very soon you go do me. But I let no be tomato pẹ̀lú rodo ni. Shine your eyes, korokoro. Let's see yourself. Talk a lot. It's your easy. Yeah, boom, baby, yo.
Damn, fresh on the bed.
Kilo de go. Kini koko, baby, malapopo mi. Very soon you go do me. But I let no be tomato pẹ̀lú rodo ni. Shine your eyes, korokoro.